Hello kids, welcome to Tutorati. In last video kids, we started with the chapter life processes and we had also learned about nutrition in amoeba. Yes kids, what are we going to do in this video? In this video, as you can rightly see, we are going to start with nutrition in human beings. Yes kids, today we are going to learn about our own self. हमारे system में खाना digest कैसे होता है? चलो kids, let us begin. Nutrition in human beings takes place in a special system. Now listen people, we are multicellular organisms and also complex. What makes us complex? हर चीज के लिए हमारे बॉडी में सिस्टम है. यू हैव नर्वस सिस्टम, यू हैव एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम, सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम. वैसे ही किड्स यू हैव अ स्पेशल सिस्टम फॉर डाइजेस्टिंग फूड एंड ऑफ कोर्स इट इज कॉल्ड एज द डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. Human digestive system is made up of two parts. The first part is alimentary canal and the second is digestive glands. Yes, alimentary canal and digestive glands. Now kids, if asked you what is a canal or describe a canal, आप बोलोगे मैम एक ट्यूब जैसा स्ट्रक्चर होता है. Yes, absolutely correct. और मैम उसको ओपनिंग्स होते हैं at one end and the other end. सुपर बच्चा, हमारी बॉडी का जो एलिमेंट्री कनाल है that is also somewhat like that. Let us see. It is a long muscular tube. Long because it is long in structure. It's very self-explanatory. Kids 5 to 6 meters का तो हमारा सिर्फ small intestine ही होता है. So it is a long muscular made up of muscles and of varying diameter. Varying diameter. Look at this food pipe. यहाँ पे diameter अलग है. स्टमक के उधर डायमीटर अलग है, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन का अलग है, लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन का अलग है. वेरिंग डायमीटर इज बच्चा समथिंग विच इज नॉट सेम थ्रू आउट और इट इज गोइंग टू बी डिफरेंट. अलग अलग डायमीटर के बने हैं. Now it extends from mouth to anus. Absolutely correct. Mouth से शुरू होता है ये कनाल और anus पे end होता है. Let's put it all together. It is a long muscular tube of varying diameter extending from mouth to anus. Superb. Now let us see what are glands. Glands are the structure which secretes enzyme. बच्चा ये word enzyme आगे आपको बहुत बार आने वाला है. Enzyme का मतलब होता है chemicals. Yes, so glands are the structures which are going to secrete some or the other chemicals or enzymes. Enzymes are chemicals. What are they going to do? They break down complex food into simpler ones, and that is why they are called as biological catalyst. Yes, the food we eat is going to be complex, broken down into our system. This work is done by these enzymes or chemicals, and that is why they are called as biological. Living cells में है ना बच्चा, इसके लिए biological catalyst. Now what are the digestive glands? Which are the glands in our body? Let us see. सबसे पहले आते हैं salivary gland. We know the salivary gland. It is going to be in the mouth. The next gland is gastric gland. बच्चों gastric gland होता है हमारे stomach में. After gastric gland you have pancreas. Position of the pancreas behind the stomach. Yes, pancreas is going to be behind the stomach. And the last and another important gland that we have is going to be liver. Liver is present on the upper right side of the stomach. These are the digestive glands in our body. Now kids, let us see the complete digestive system all together. You have the same diagram in your textbooks also. सबसे पहला kids, your digestive system starts with the oral cavity. That is nothing but the mouth. In the oral cavity you have salivary glands. Yes, we have just done salivary gland. After that बच्चा you have a food pipe जिसको हम esophagus बोलते हैं. Yes, food is going to travel through that pipe. It is a food pipe. This esophagus later opens up into stomach. Yes, this is stomach. उसके बाद हमने जस्ट पढ़ा है स्टमक के अपर राइट साइड पे होते हैं लिवर. नाउ किड्स, कैन यू सी देयर इज अ ग्रीन कलर का बलून ओवर हियर. Below the liver there is a balloon shaped organ which is called as gall bladder. What is the function of gallbladder? What does it do? We will be seeing ahead, do not worry. So after gallbladder, kids, the next gland that we study is pancreas, behind the stomach. The stomach is going to continue as small intestine. From small intestine, large intestine. And lastly, your alimentary canal ends at the anus. Now you will see that certain structures have been highlighted. Why, bacha? Because these are the glands. Salivary gland, liver, gallbladder and pancreas. ये glands है. And as I just told you, you get this diagram in your exam. So it is important. Yes. Moving ahead, kids. Now what happens in the digestive system? Actual में होता क्या है? Kids, please remember the food we eat is going to be complex in nature. Yes, yes, yes. पर हमारे each and every cell को वैसा complex food चलेगा क्या? No. The complex food is broken down into simpler food. Yes. The complex food, which is of course difficult to absorb, is converted to simple food, which is easy and simple to absorb. Now let us see what are those complex food. Kids, it includes carbohydrates. Carbohydrates जिसको हम carbs भी बोलते हैं, that also known as starch. फिर आते हैं fats and फिर आते हैं proteins. फिर आते हैं proteins. Carbohydrate, fats and protein, they are broken down into, they are converted into their simpler version. Kids, carbohydrate का simpler version is glucose. Yes, you have to remember this. Carbohydrate का simple version is glucose. Fats का simple version is fatty acids, and lastly protein का simple version is amino acids. This is what happens inside our system. Complex food gets broken down into simple ones. After learning the diagram of human digestive system, now let us see, kids, how the human digestive system actually works. Now kids, the food we eat, खाना हम लेते हैं, first it is going to enter in our mouth. Absolutely correct. The food is taken in through the mouth. What happens inside your mouth, kids? The food is broken down. It is processed into smaller particles. पूरा का पूरा पीस खाएंगे बच्चा तो it will harm our system. That is why nature has designed it in such a way that they have teeth present in their mouth. Inside the mouth, the food is processed to generate particles with smaller size. That is, chewing action takes place with the help of teeth. And we have just learned that there is salivary gland present in the mouth. The crushed food is wet with the saliva, which is secreted by the salivary gland. Now what is the purpose of this? Kids, it's very simple and a logical reason. The passage of food becomes easy. Smaller size भी रहता है और saliva के वजह से हमने food को अभी wet भी किया है. The passage of food becomes easy, so that it can pass through the soft lining of alimentary canal. Yes. Now inside the food, inside the mouth, the food is being processed, it is being broken down. There is a very wonderful reason over here, bacha. It is said that the digestion of the food starts in your mouth itself. Yes, अब तक क्या लगता था stomach में होता है? ना kids. The digestion of the food starts in your mouth. How is that? Let us see. Your saliva contains an enzyme. I am saying it one more time. Enzymes are nothing but chemicals. It contains an enzyme called as salivary amylase. Yes, this is a new word. Salivary amylase. This salivary amylase is going to act on starch. Starch is nothing but carbohydrate, complex form of the food. Just पढ़ा है हमने. Salivary amylase acts on the starch. And kids, the complex starch gets broken down. Just see, yes, the complex starch gets broken down into simple sugar. वही तो काम होता है ना digestion का, converting complex into simple. That is what it did. Starch, which is a complex sugar, in action or in presence of salivary amylase, gets broken down into simple sugar. Isn't this a part of digestion? Yes, that is why it is said that the digestion starts in the mouth itself. Food is partly digested in the mouth. Moving ahead, kids. Now this partly digested food, yes, अभी जो खाना digest हुआ है थोड़ा सा हमारे mouth में, It is going to go down through the esophagus. Your esophagus is nothing but the food pipe. Yes, it goes down through esophagus. How does this happen? It is a very again interesting feature बच्चा. Due to rhythmic contraction and relaxation. चलो contraction and relaxation का action सबको पता है. Contraction, relaxation. Yes. Rhythmic contraction and relaxation of muscle of esophagus. This is a very self-explanatory animation, kids. It can tell you. This is called as peristaltic movement. Rhythmic contraction and relaxation. One more time. Rhythmic contraction and relaxation is called as peristaltic movement. 1 mark के लिए पूछते हैं. This is how the food goes down through esophagus. Now the food is going to enter into J-shaped stomach. खाना माउथ से esophagus में गया, esophagus से अभी it is going to enter inside the stomach. Yes. Now the gastric glands present in the stomach are going to release 3 gastric juice. What is the purpose of this? Digestion का purpose है. चलो let us see. What are those 3 gastric juices? The first gastric juice, kids, is HCl. Yes, the first one is HCl. HCl is nothing but hydrochloric acid. केमिस्ट्री में पढ़ा है हमने. मैम तो बॉडी में होगा तो इतना तो concentrated नहीं होगा ना? No people. Even if it's present inside the human body, it is quite concentrated. So the first one is HCl. What is the function of HCl? Now kids, just tell me, the food that we eat, is it nicely clean and पूरा hygienic होता है क्या? No. Along with the food goes lots of germs particles. हाँ बच्चा, बहुत सारे dirt particles, germs वगैरह जाते हैं. HCl kills the germ which is present in the food. Yes, it does a very nice work. HCl is going to kill the dust particles or germs particle present in the food. Also kids, being an acid, it creates acidic condition. क्यों? प्रोटीन को डाइजेस्ट करने के लिए एसिडिक कंडीशन लगता है. प्रोटीन के थोड़े से नखरे होते हैं. वो बोलता है कि मैं सिर्फ एसिडिक कंडीशन में ही डाइजेस्ट होऊंगा. सो इट क्रिएट्स एसिडिक कंडीशन विच इज नेसेसरी फॉर डाइजेशन ऑफ प्रोटीन. सो हियर वी हैव डिस्कस्ड 2 functions of HCl. Now moving ahead, the second juice is called as enzyme pepsin. New word again, enzyme pepsin. It is going to digest protein partially. अब इसको कैसे याद रखेंगे बच्चा पता है? PPP, protein partially pepsin या pepsin protein partially. जैसे आपको याद रखना है वैसे, but PPP, enzyme pepsin is going to digest protein partially. मैम partially बाकी का क्या होता है? बाकी का small intestine में होगा, don't worry. After that kids, we go on to the third enzyme. Just see the action of pepsin. It is going to act on protein. Protein is of course complex. When pepsin acts on it, bachcha, it gets converted into simple one. The third juice is mucus. What is mucus going to do? It is going to protect the inner lining of stomach from action of acid. See, I told you, acid इतना dilute नहीं होता है. Even if it's in our body, it is going to be strong, concentrated बच्चा. So ये third juice है. It is the mucus layer. आपके stomach को acid से harm ना हो. To protect the inner lining of the stomach, the third is going to be mucus. After this बच्चा, the partially digested food. Note this, खाना अब तक पूरी तरह डाइजेस्ट नहीं हुआ है. माउथ में शुरुआत हुई, स्टमक में थोड़ा सा हुआ. Now the partially digested food leaves the stomach. Yes, it is going to leave the stomach. अभी kids, एक साथ it is not going to give away all the food. धीरे धीरे करके होता है. It is done in a nice, slowly coordinated manner. The exit of food from the stomach is regulated. Regulated is nothing but controlled by a muscle which is called as sphincter muscle. New word है. So खाना धीरे धीरे करके stomach से exit करेगा and this action is guarded or regulated by a muscle which is called as sphincter muscle. As the stomach is going to leave the food, that is, it is guarded by the sphincter muscle, now the food is going to enter into small intestine. Yes, just see, in a nice regulated manner, the food is going to enter in small intestine. Small intestine is the longest part of your alimentary canal. Yes kids, I have mentioned this even before. आप सोचो बच्चा 5 to 6 मीटर लॉन्ग रहता है. अगर मीटर के टर्म्स में नहीं समझता तो चलो उसको थोड़ा कन्वर्ट करते हैं. किड्स 1 मीटर इज 100 सेंटीमीटर्स. यस, सो आपका स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन रफली 500 to 600 सेंटीमीटर्स का होता है. दैट इज व्हाई इट इज सेड दैट इट इज द लॉन्गेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ योर एलिमेंट्री कैनाल. लगता नहीं, राइट? इमेज से लगता नहीं है. व्हाई? बिकॉज इट इज फिटेड इनटू अ कॉम्पैक्ट स्पेस. किड्स इमेजिन हमारा अब्डोमेन इतना है, आपको एक 5 to 6 मीटर लंबा पाइप दिया और आपको बोला गया यू हैव टू फिट दिस इन दैट स्पेस. यू आर गोइंग टू ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न एंड सब पाइप को घुमाया वगैरह और उसको यहाँ पे फिट करा, राइट? यस, आपका स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन भी वैसे ही है. देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ ट्विस्टिंग्स एंड टर्निंग्स. It is fitted into a compact space in the belly by extensive coiling. There are lots of twists and turns over here. It is going to be longer than large intestine. Your small intestine is longer than large intestine. नहीं सेंस बन रहा ना मैम? अगर longest part है तो फिर उसको small intestine क्यों बोलते हैं? We are coming to that, don't worry. Then why is it called as small intestine? Yes, why is it called as small intestine? Bacha, the answer is the diameter. Yes, because it has a smaller diameter. अगर आप लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन और स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन को कंपेयर करते हो, स्मॉल का डायामीटर कम है, लार्ज का डायामीटर बड़ा है, हेंस द नेम स्मॉल एंड लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन. Carbohydrate, fats and proteins, these are the complex food nutrients. Yes, they are fully and completely digested in your small intestine. शुरुआत माउथ से हुई थी, partly digested in your stomach, and finally kids, in the small intestine the food is going to be completely digested. Digestion of food in small intestine requires alkaline medium. किड्स रिमेंबर स्टमक में हमने एसिडिक मीडियम किया था. यस, प्रोटीन डाइजेशन को एसिडिक मीडियम लगा था. अभी स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन के अपने नखरे, वो बोला आई एम गोइंग टू वर्क ओनली इफ देयर इज एन अल्कलाइन मीडियम. पीएच का डिफरेंस होता है बच्चा, एसिडिक पीएच, अल्कलाइन पीएच, देयर इज अ डिफरेंस ऑफ पीएच. सो द फूड रिसीव फ्रॉम द स्टमक जो एसिडिक है, इट हैज टू बी मेड अल्कलाइन. Now how is this going to happen? चलो ध्यान दो kids, this is important. The food which has come from stomach is acidic. Now it has to be made alkaline. Now here the liver is going to come into picture. There is gallbladder. ये हमारा stomach है. And remember there is one more gland behind which is pancreas. What happens is liver, the largest gland in the body, secretes another juice which is called as bile juice. Liver, the largest gland compared to all the glands, बड़ा होता है बच्चा, and it is going to secrete bile juice. The bile juice which is secreted by the liver gets stored in the gall bladder. बच्चे बहुत कंफ्यूज होते हैं. किड्स, टैप से पानी सिक्रीट होता है, बकेट में पानी स्टोर होता है. अंडरस्टैंड दिस. लिवर से बाइल जूस सिक्रीट होता है, गॉल ब्लैडर में वो स्टोर होता है. So this is the action. The bile juice which is made in the liver, secreted by the liver, it is go and store in gallbladder. Whenever the food enters the small intestine, धीरे धीरे करके food enter करता है small intestine में, gallbladder releases bile juice into it through a duct. Duct is nothing but tube. Duct is nothing but tube. जैसे जैसे खाना आता है बच्चा, gallbladder ना थोड़ा थोड़ा bile juice, just see, yes, a bit of bile juice is going to be secreted inside the small intestine. Bile makes the food alkaline. Food, small intestine का requirement था, that is to make the food alkaline. Moving ahead, so it takes, or it is also going to break the large fat globules into smaller ones. फूड में अगर लार्ज फैट ग्लोब्यूल्स होते हैं उनको भी ब्रेक करता है इनटू स्मॉलर वंस। किड्स व्हाई? सपोजिंगली आपको वो क्यूब शुगर दिया एंड आपको पाउडर शुगर दिया, which is going to dissolve first? Of course it is going to be the powdered sugar, right? The smaller the size, the faster is going to be the action. यहाँ पे भी सेम लॉजिक है, फैट के लार्ज ग्लोब्यूल्स होते हैं उसको स्मॉल में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, क्यों? टू इंक्रीज द एक्शन ऑफ एंजाइम्स. This is called as emulsification of fats. Yes, this action of large globules broken down into small is called as emulsification of fat. Again, definition में पूछा जाता है हमको. See this, fat globules being broken down into smaller globules. Again, I am repeating, why? To increase the action of enzymes. Now kids comes the pancreas. वो भी एक gland था, right? So even that is going to secrete pancreatic juice. Pancreas secretes pancreatic juice like this. The bile and the pancreatic juice enters the small intestine through a common duct. Can you see? The bile comes from this duct, pancreas का juice comes from this duct, and they meet over here at a common duct. Yes, that is it. There is a common opening for both bile and pancreatic juice. Just look at them both working together through the common duct. The three pancreatic juice are बच्चा, pancreas के भी three digestive enzymes है. The first one is going to be trypsin. याद है हमने स्टमक में पढ़ा था पेप्सिन, पेप्सिन ट्रिप्सिन, भाई भाई साउंड करते हैं ना, राम एंड श्याम जैसे. वहां पे पेप्सिन का काम क्या था? प्रोटीन को पार्शियली डाइजेस्ट किया था. यस, ओवर हियर किड्स, ट्रिप्सिन इज गोइंग टू डाइजेस्ट द प्रोटीन्स. ट्रिप्सिन डाइजेस्ट प्रोटीन्स into amino acids. Amino acids are nothing but the simpler version of protein. So trypsin has actions on protein. It is going to break down into amino acids. Superb. Kids, the second one is lipase. Lipase. Lipase का action होता है on fats. Yes, lipase digests fats into fatty acids. Fats जो complex है gets broken down into fatty acids जो simple है. The last and the third digestive enzyme is pancreatic amylase. Sounds similar with salivary amylase? Yes, salivary amylase का काम था working on starch. बच्चा यहाँ पे भी वही है. Pancreatic amylase is going to act on carbohydrate or starch and convert it into glucose जो होता है उनका simple version. Carbohydrate is broken down into glucose. So these are the pancreatic juices along with their action. Now kids, let us see after all this. So finally हमारा complex food था, that is carbohydrate, fats and proteins. It got converted into, it got broken down into simpler. Carbohydrate got broken down to glucose, fats got broken down to fatty acids, proteins got broken down to amino acid. Now I can say that the food is completely digested in our small intestine. Yes. Now the digested food is going to pass down. It is slowly going to move down through the small intestine. Just see, the food got digested and बच्चे धीरे धीरे, I've just told you that it has lots of twists and turns. The food is going to pass down slowly through the small intestine. Now why small intestine is so long, 5 to 6 meter long? ऐसा तो क्या reason है बच्चा? Let us see. Inside the small intestine there are numerous. Numerous is nothing but many. There are many finger-like projection. Finger-like, like our fingers. Yes, these are called as villi. V-I-L-L-I. There are many finger-like projections which are called as villi. Now, what is the purpose of this villi? Villi observes the digested food. खाना तो digest हो गया ना? Now, our system is not going to keep it to yourself. Digestive system में ही तो नहीं रहेगा. That food is going to reach to each and every cell of our body. How does that happen? Villi observes the digested food, बच्चा. Now remember this, your villi are richly supplied with blood vessels. ये जो लाइनिंग आपको दिख रही है दैट इज अ विलाई, और ये बच्चा हमारे ब्लड वेसल्स है. यस, योर विलाई आर रिचली सप्लाई विद ब्लड वेसल्स. बहुत सारे स्मॉल 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 कैपिलरीज होती है वहां पे, ब्लड वेसल्स होते हैं. The absorbed food is taken to each and every cell of our body. Why? Later on it is used for obtaining energy. Now imagine this. This is the absorbed food. Kids, जो काम की चीजें हैं, absorption is done with the help of villi. Yes, the blood is going to take the food material to each and every cell of our body. Now the unabsorbed food, unabsorbed, जो absorption नहीं हुआ है small intestine में, it is now passed to the large intestine. The unabsorbed food is going to pass through the large intestine. Kids, you have to remember this statement. Large intestine does not have any digestive function. Please remember this. Small intestine में सारा digestion हो गया था. Large intestine का कोई digestive function नहीं है. तो मैम, what is its purpose? Large intestine is going to deal with absorption of food and salts or minerals. Yes, even it has villi. Large intestine में भी finger like projection होते हैं. It has villi which is going to absorb salt and water, finger like projection. So the unabsorbed food, as it is passing through the large intestine, it is 1.5 meter in length. काम की चीजें बच्चा, पानी, मिनरल, सॉल्ट है, वो लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन ले लेगा. द रेस्ट ऑफ द मटेरियल इज रिमूव्ड आउट थ्रू द एनस. एब्जॉर्प्शन हो गया है, एवरीथिंग इज डन, काम की सब चीजें ले ली है. द रेस्ट ऑफ द मटेरियल जो वेस्ट होता है, इट इज रिमूव थ्रू द एनस. Again, this exit is regulated or controlled by the muscle which is called as anal sphincter. Stomach में भी पढ़ा था sphincter muscle, and this exit is regulated by the muscle which is called as anal sphincter. That is a type of a muscle. After learning about nutrition in human beings, we are now going to have a look in nutrition in plants. But like animals, plants also need food for growth and energy. Green plants synthesize their food by the process which is called as photosynthesis. Yes, we are learning this right from a lower standard, photosynthesis. Let us see, chalo, let us have a quick review of what is photosynthesis. Green plants which are in presence of sunlight. Sunlight is a must over here. In presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. इसके लिए specifically green plants बोला because green plants are going to have chlorophyll. They take in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. They are going to take water from the soil. Yes, ये सब उनके raw materials हुए, and they are going to convert it and prepare their food which is nothing but carbohydrate or glucose. उनकी जो life process है उनके लिए use करते हैं. If this process is known as photosynthesis. Photo stands for light and synthesis is nothing but making or producing. Sometimes kids, if excess of glucose is there, it is stored in the form of starch. अगर ज़्यादा glucose हुआ है, it is going to be stored in the form of starch. Process of photosynthesis बचा. We know that carbon dioxide is taken from the atmosphere. Now let us have a magnified image कि ये carbon dioxide plant body में जाता कैसे है kids. In our lower standard, have we learned कि there are tiny openings which is called as stomata? Yes. Carbon dioxide enters in the leaf through tiny pores. Pores are nothing but openings बचा. Present on the surface of leaf called as stomata. Yes, they are going to look something like this. ये उनके guard cells होते हैं. Now as they open, carbon dioxide enters into the system. The water is taken up by the soil. ये भी हमको पता है. तो चलो प्लांट के बॉडी में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड आ गया है, वाटर आ गया है. Kids, we have learned that this is nothing but chloroplast and chlorophyll. इनका क्या पावर होता है? What function do they have? They are going to absorb the energy from the sunlight. They require energy to perform their processes, right? कहाँ से मिलती है? Sun से मिलती है. Sun is considered as the largest source of energy. Chlorophyll present in the chloroplast absorbs the radiant energy from the sunlight. Now once the light enters inside, water molecule water molecule H2O gets splits into hydrogen and oxygen. Yes, the water molecule splits into hydrogen and oxygen. While this step is happening, bacha, ATP is released. ATP is nothing but usable form of energy. जब ये step हो रहा है, ATP is going to be released. This energy is later used to convert carbon dioxide and hydrogen. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जो हमको एटमॉस्फेयर से मिला है एंड हाइड्रोजन, जस्ट सी बच्चा, दिस इज गोइंग टू मेक ग्लूकोज C6H12O6. Water vapor and oxygen, which are the byproducts, it is later given out through the stomata. So this is the nutrition, or this is the process of photosynthesis. Now kids, very important is the reaction of photosynthesis. Let's have a look. पहले हम रॉ मटेरियल्स डिस्कस कर रहे थे. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड लिया एटमॉस्फेयर से, वाटर लिया सॉइल से. यस, which were the other two requirements? Sunlight was mandatory and chlorophyll was also necessary. Yes, so these are the raw materials. इससे प्रोडक्ट क्या बना? हमने ग्लूकोज बनाया. Their food is nothing but glucose. And which are the byproducts? Water and oxygen. Yes, let's put this all together in form of a reaction. Carbon dioxide plus water in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll gives you glucose plus water plus oxygen. And kids, ये जो आप units देख रहे हो 6, 12, 6, 6, these are nothing but a balanced chemical reaction. आपको 2 marks के लिए reaction of photosynthesis पूछा जाता है, so it's important. Now whatever that I have told you, these steps of photosynthesis does not take place one after the other immediately. This is the scenario in case of desert plant. Kids, desert plant, extreme of sunlight, water कमी रहता है. So ये क्या करते हैं? They are going to take in carbon dioxide as night. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड अगर दिन में लिया, स्टोमाटा ओपन रखा, पूरा पानी evaporate हो जाएगा, right? They cannot afford that. So they are going to take carbon dioxide at night. बच्चा, रात को ही after taking carbon dioxide, they are going to make an intermediate product. इंटरमीडिएट प्रोडक्ट में उसको कन्वर्ट करते हैं. नेक्स्ट डे व्हेन देयर इज सनलाइट एंड ड्यूरिंग द डे टाइम, दिस इंटरमीडिएट प्रोडक्ट इज एक्टेड अपॉन बाय एनर्जी. क्लोरोफिल, सनलाइट लेगा ना वो, एंड दिस इंटरमीडिएट प्रोडक्ट इज लेटर कन्वर्टेड टू ग्लूकोज. सो डेजर्ट प्लांट में, नाइट प्लांट में प्रॉपर स्टेप बाय स्टेप मैनर में नहीं होता है. द कन्वर्जन इज स्लाइटली डिफरेंट. सो दिस वाज अबाउट न्यूट्रिशन इन plants. So bacha, with this we finish our topic of nutrition. I hope you enjoyed the entire process. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you get all the regular updates from our channel. Thank you so much.